What is plate tectonic? Where it happened? Plate tectonic, to set in a more simple way, is the movement of plate. Everyone know plate had been created on Earth in the edge of creation. And all we know is Earth is the only rocky planet that having plate tectonic. It isn't matter of size, otherwise Venus will has it too. Don't overlook it. Without it Earth will be covered everywhere with water. There are two type of plate, which is oceanic plate and continental plate. Plate had three different movement too. Converge plate boundary, which is two plate moving to each other, it's the way to form it mountain. Diverge plate boundary, it is two plate moving against each other, this happen way new rock form it and new rock push two plate. Transform plate boundary, earthquake is one of the example of it. Do you still remember without plate tectonic Earth will be covered everywhere with water? Do you ever think of why? Because if there are no plate, Earth will be perfectly smooth and the water on Earth will cover everywhere. It may have life inside that endless ocean, but it certainly shouldn't have soccer. Do you curious why only Earth had plate tectonic? Actually scientists don't know it too. Plate is really moving. If you don't believe it, you can see about supercontinent Pangaea. Once all the plate on Earth are together, now it's split apart to 7 different continental. I think you probably know what is lithosphere. If you don't know, then you can check the video underground, which is where plate tectonic happen. Plate tectonic happen in the area which around 30-60 km. This connect to our statement of inquiry, as we can see many evidence that show there are plate tectonic. Pangaea is 1 continent, now it turned to 7. The earthquake is one evidence it had relate to transform plate boundary, it show the moving of plate. Like the new rock form it under the middle of Atlantic Ocean which pushed to plate.